Joe Budden admires Math Hoffa's watch and chain before interview on his podcast.
Stop.
Listen, while I'm on live, I came up here specifically to tell you. Anytime you want to use my name in an example where your name could go,
What do you mean?
you should use your name.
What do you mean? What are you talking about?
So I saw a clip with Math talking about, do you want to be or you want to be Joe Budden?
Do you want to be Drake?
Or
do you say Drake?
You can say whatever you want.
All right, but it was Drake, right?
I'm talking about when my name was said.
Well, it was Drake.
I'm just talking about my name being said.
Well, I'm trying to get the
I don't want to hear that when I sold more records than everybody in the barbershop.
Oh, come on, son.
Yeah. You better be real careful with that, with Drake saying where the Joe Budden bar is, because I'm going to start talking. I sold more records than this whole barbershop. You can use y'all. You can use y'all name.
I'm not going to debate.
You can use y'all name. Ain't nothing to debate. It's a fact.
Okay.
Where's the debate?
That's cool. What just happened? I want more battles.
I'm talking to him about
I can
something.
say that.
I'm talking to him about
I want more
something.
battles than Joe Budden.
I was sitting home and I had to let it be known.
I ain't sold as much records as Joe Budden yet, right? But I want more battles than Joe Budden.
When I hear the rappers bring up my name in some type of way that's not favorable, like I get confused.
Listen,
I get confused.
Listen.
I get confused.
This thing with you and Drake.
You rappers better watch y'all mouths. I'm outside and I got time.
This thing with you and Drake is getting out of hand. We know that you started
emo
rap, and I know you want the credit for it.
No, I'm not.
So you kind of
that's you podcasters that want to talk about that. That's you podcasters. I don't want to talk.
And as a journalist.
Journalists, you the last one left. It's you and Torre.
How are you?
I'm good. I don't never signed it.
You never signed it?
I've never signed that.
You signed it the last time.
No, I did not. You tried to airdrop me something. I said this is too complicated. You said don't worry about it. Y'all can sign it. Y'all can sign it for me. I ain't gonna sue y'all. I know you getting money. I want to talk about that too.
What? For me? Oh, stop.
What? I'm here to.
I'm nowhere close to Joe Budden, man.
I'm here to pocket watch. I told my Dizza outside. You see my Dizza in the bill. I told Dizza outside. I'm here to pocket watch. God damn it.
That's crazy.
I'm here to do the Lord's work.
Why is nigga so stupid?
We gonna get to the bottom of things.
I got receipts. It's all right. All I got to say.
Damn, watch blinging down.
Oh, stop. This is
Oh, with the pink face. Wait. Oh, my.
Come on, man.
Come on. That is old money.
That's shiny.
It's right, man.
Oh, my God.
It's
Not the pinky face?
DFG Records, you heard? DFG Records.
I'm not looking at your tan.
Shameless promo.
God. Wait, not on the. Oh, my God. Yo, nah, you going crazy, man. Yo, you going crazy. What is going... Yo, what's happening to you? I'd have got them rid of them too, man. Go ahead. Get rid of them. Go ahead. Get rid of them. Get rid of them. Man. Go ahead. Holy shit.
I took your advice, man.
Math looking good. He knew to keep it. He kept Mac.
I took your advice.
You lose him.
Yo, blame Joe. Joe
You
told me
done.
to do it.
Mac is in a good spot.
Joe told
All right.
me to do it.
All right, I'm here to have a good time.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, I'm here to have a good time. All right. I'll get with y'all shortly.
Oh, not
Dizzy, you gotta help me pocket watch. Because he's elusive. He's elusive.
Ooh, me?
He's elusive, but we're going to get to it.
Heard you been working on the album.
You're wrong.
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.